Okay guys, today I'll teach you how to keep the stickies notes on the desktop after you restart the computer. Okay. Now what are sticky notes? Stickies are like post-it notes. As you can see, I'm opening the Stickies app here. It's free. It's available on Mac. It's free, and you can just type in anything. I'll just type in here what I'm talking about. You can type a to-do list. You can type anything that you want. It's like a sticky note that you keep on your regular life. Something like that. But anyways, we'll skip through this part. Just a moment. Okay, now the problem that I was facing was that after you write everything down and keep it on your sticky note and you close the system, the note also the app also gets closed. But when you open the system later, the note is not there on the desktop, and I want it to be there on the desktop because I want it to be handy to kind of remind me what were the things that I wanted to do. So to do this, I found this solution in the online forum for Apple community, and it's from 2008, and but it still works. So basically all you have to do is open script editor. It's also a free app on your Mac. You open script editor and then just copy and paste these three lines. You can even type them, and the lines are: tell application inverted commas stickies, inverted commas again, then lot of space, and then launch, and then after a lot of space you type and tell. Okay, and then you have to save this script. You save it in the format of a application, and you give it the title as open stickies. Okay, now as you can see, I'm doing it here, and you can save it on your desktop because you'll be able to easily locate it. Okay, as you can see, now it's saved on the desktop, and next we have to open the system preferences app. Okay, now in the system preferences app you have your users and group. So you open users and group and you will see the admin. Maybe your name is there, whatever name is there, the account name, and then go to the login items section. Okay, and then as you have kept that OpenStickies app on your desktop, you simply drag and drop it in this login items section. Okay, and voila, that's it. And you close the app and close the system preferences, and it will work. But for safety and to keep it handy, I just drag and drop the app on the application folder also. So that's it. Now every time you will open your system, your latest sticky note will be available for you. And thank you. Hope it helps.